Now we're going to install the GGB mountain can in my 2020 850. Literally waiting for you guys to drop it off. I should be here today. Drop off, take out this Big Bertha. Can't wait to get it out. Get the GGB bark. Yes, sir. Okay, so now airplanes. That's why garages are nice. So now we undid the 2 screws in the washer and did these 2. I clearly obviously took out my toggle dryer and I did the cluster. Obviously, you can see that. Until I tree ride a lot. Pine needles and all that jazz and water. So yeah, now we're gonna pop the hood off. I just gotta undo the 1 flat head screw. And have to take this off. Take all this off. Okie dokie. Did that. Sitting okay. Oh, she's a wee bit worn. Oh, Sheen, I could probably put a new belt on. Okay. What the fuck? That's not good. So now, as you can see, we got the hood off. And now we're gonna pop this suitcase out, boys and girls. Cool. You. Go pop this baby in. Yes, okay. So now you can see we got the exhaust out. We got this one out. We disconnected the exhaust sensor, which goes right here. Took me a second to remember that. And now we'll go inside and get the new exhaust and slap that baby in. Now, as you can see, we have the GGB can, and look at all that space we're saving, guys. Like, that's extra ponies, man. Coming to the party. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, so we're gonna tighten that, and then I'm gonna put this cover back on, and then I'm gonna hook up the sensor. Looks like I should probably, fuck. Yeah, it's dark now, but we finally got the can on. Got the panels back on. We're all put back together. We're all happy like that. See how she sounds. Flash her on.